How to redeem Apple gift card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you how to redeem an Apple gift card. It's a simple process, so follow along. Redeeming an Apple gift card is easy. You can do it manually or use your camera to scan the code directly on your phone. It's also possible to do it on the Apple website, but I find doing it on your iOS device like the iPhone or the iPad to be the most convenient and straightforward approach. To redeem the Apple gift card correctly, open the App Store and ensure that you're signed into your account. Look for the profile icon at the top right corner, tap on it, and select Redeem Gift Card or Code. This is where you will enter the code to redeem the gift card into your account. Make sure that you're on the right account as the code can only be redeemed once. If you have multiple accounts on the same device, be cautious as redeeming it on the wrong account will transfer the balance there. Upon typing the option, you will see two ways to redeem the code: using your camera to scan it or entering it manually. Choose your preferred method to receive the balance or any available items instantly into your Apple account. So this was all about how can you redeem your Apple gift card. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.